Okay, now we're doing the rear top motor mount. So we got the mount hooks in here. 2 bolts here and 1 on the other side with the heim joint.
Put it in.
Get mine in. Okay, I'm started, so where are you at on your spacer? Spacer goes
Come
in
back
against the
towards
frame.
you. Needs to come towards you. Like half
The
thickness.
tapered part would be going against the heim, not the other way around.
Really showed the other way in the book. Okay, I see what you're saying.
There'd be no reason to have it tapered against the top of the frame. That'd be stupid. Of course, that'd be how Harley would do
That's what
stuff.
you want.
Yeah, you're gonna have to play with whatever it takes.
Okay, that's in there.
Can't see what we're looking at here.
Big bolt.
Stupid tripod's fighting me here.
Short one nut, don't we?
So anyway, you got the end of the heim joint way back in there. That spacer has a tapered shoulder and it goes against the heim joint, not against the frame
So
like
the
you
heim
had
can
it.
move, right?
That way you got full articulation of the heim joint, which you don't really need because it doesn't move that kind of angle, but
Still there if you need it.
yeah, it's just there to confuse you is all it is. So,
Let's see where that one other extra wire goes to.
don't know yet.
Right there.
We found that the horn goes down here, we know that, so these 2 loose wires we found. Alright, what do you got for wrenches over there? That quarter drive still out there somewhere?
A what? Quarter drive?
Yep.
Right here, yeah. So I'm short a nut for that heim joint thing.
What are you missing?
The nut for that heim joint.
You took it off because it was on there.
It's right there.
Factory torque. Stinking tight. Alright, so what do we got here? We got a washer. A little bit of a clamp right here.
What size is that socket you just had?
I don't know what the hell this goes to. It's supposed to go in the back of the horn over here like this.
What's that?
This clamp holds the line on there, the wire on it. So somebody took it off because it would have to be right there. Well, the wrenches are over there you need. So.
I was looking for a socket. I got it. I'm alright.
Good thing I checked this because that bolt was loose. It would have vibrated off.
You want the horn?
Yeah. Okay, that goes on there. Get the washer there. Get a little blue Loctite. Drop the Loctite on the horn here. You gotta make sure you support the horn here when you tighten the bolt to keep from rotating. That way the horn's nice and square to the bike. Okay, we have no plug wires, so we're not starting it tonight. It takes stupid twin cam wires, which I don't have here. Get that bolt tight?
I got that bolt tight.
Okay. Good deal. You
This last wire thing on here.
You found a missing wire over there someplace?
Yeah.
Should have put that on earlier.
I know, I'll get it though.
Can't see it anywhere. Where you at? What's the wire doing?
Going into one of them little thingies right here.
That's probably a TPS wire.
What does that mean?
Throttle position sensor.
Mm-hmm.
You on the side of the throttle body there? That's what it would be going to.
Come on, bitch.
You gotta pull the air cleaner cover to get to it, or what?
No, it's just like everything else around it's not killing me.
Take off something above it.
Big fingers.
Yeah, I know they don't make it easy to work on these things. Got it?
No. Can you see that?
Can't see
You
shit.
can't
There's
see
a fuel
nothing,
injection
you
nozzle on the way.
You got a little mirror? I don't know which way it goes, upside down, right?
I don't know.
I'll get it though.
It's top secret. Let me see where you at.
Yeah.
No.
Nothing in here.
Well, if you get rid of this one, it's your map sensor. There, you get that one out of the way.
You got some room to work.
A little more room to work. Here, hold that up there for me. Spread that out a bit. There you go. Okay, what do we got over here? Map sensor can rotate a little bit. We'll get a direction. See that mount you just put in there is completely in the way. So it should have been done before you put the crap in the way. Going by how the wire is bent.
Mm-hmm.
Goes the other direction. See how it's preformed to go this direction. Can you figure over that? Map sensor out of the way.
Who's the man?
Goes like that. You put the map sensor, what do we do with that map wire?
Was this one or this one?
Which one did I just take off?
Took two of them off, didn't you? Or this
No, I
one?
only took one off.
Well, this one goes, that one goes there, I believe, so this must be one right here.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter?
Let's see.
Try that one down there then.
Yeah, this is a 3-wire, that's a 4-wire.
Now, this one wouldn't go in that hole.
The map sensor is a 3-wire. Goes like that. It's a 4-wire. There you go.
Here. This one don't go nowhere.
The camera can't see any of that because we're hidden from view. So this is what we're working on over here.
The loom of doom.
Loom of doom. So I had to hook that wire up back there, and it could go right side or upside down or right side. You couldn't tell. So you can see how the wire's got a permanent bid going up. So I figured that's probably how it plugged in. So I had to push that down with the end of 2 screwdrivers here, like chopsticks, working on the tips to get it to go in. Once I got that in there, I had to rehook up the map sensor, which is right above it, which I took out to get more room. It would have been a lot easier if he did it before we put the motor mount in it, but he didn't say he had wires underneath the motor mount.
I didn't know what was that yet.
And then we had this idle control thing here, ICS, whatever they call them, fucking valve, ICV maybe. Anyway, this was disconnected too. So this has 4 wires on this one, and that one had 3 wires, so I know that plug goes in the map sensor's got 3, this one got 4. We still got this wire left over, which looks like it's capped, so it's probably a test port. So what else is loose? Got this is in there, that's in there.
That's one for the motor. These are the dash ones I gotta
These
do.
look like they're all good condition over there. Make sure the throttle still works. Still no binding. Go room. Okay. Get all these up underneath. Here's the map sensor, or the TPS is underneath. Now you want to keep that off of that sharp fin right there. It'll cut through it. So I just bent that over a little bit. So I'm just going to lay this one down inside the hole here. It looks like it's supposed to stick on the back of a stock air filter, which we're obviously a little different. So just make sure that's not rubbing on that fin right there. If it is, I'd cut the damn fin away, but right now it looks like we got clearance, so we can leave it. So that's good. These exhaust flanges, see how they stick way out there. See, there's no stud sticking out hardly at all. We're flush. This pipe has a real thick flange in there, and it's got a thick gasket, so it sticks way out. This one here you can't see much more, but anyway, down in there it's the same problem. You got that 1/4 inch, 5/16 of pipe sticking out, and that's why the gaskets didn't fit. This one takes those real short, skinny gaskets instead of the big fat ones, big tapered fat ones everybody else uses. Got oil on there for some reason. So you want to make sure everything's oil dry before you start the bike, otherwise you won't know if there's any leaks, because it'll be all wet. So that's all dry. We've got our sensor in here I took out for the oil pressure. We're good. It's all dry up under there. We're good. This is our transmission filler. Got our motor filler here. We're all lubed up. Sensors are all on top of everything over here. Got that tied up out of the way. Good. So you want nothing in here because it gets hotter than hell in here. You get the front sensor hooked up yet, or is it?
Yeah, it's hooked up, yeah.
So it goes down below? Okay. Oil pressure gauge, get that out of the way. Okay, we got the mid-control pedal on here now. Right here, we haven't got a peg on it yet. But over here we still got a forward shifter because we have to take the primary off to do that. So we haven't done that yet. Look at all that mess.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out this. Okay, this one obviously goes there.
That one goes there. It's a flat 3. Probably goes like that.
Have these fancy zip ties on it before right there. I can see that.
Here's your speed trip
Trip meter,
deal,
yeah.
which goes in a hole way over there.
Yep.
It's got a nut that holds it on. I don't know what this one's for. Anything else open?
Gas tank, maybe? Yeah, maybe that one on the gas tank.
You got it's got a sender on it for the oil for fuel level. Okay, so that's good to go. So that's ready to go on there. Here, wrap that around the front of it. Protect it a little bit. I'm gonna drop the ramp down a little bit. Maybe get to the gas tank easier, at least for me, I'm sure.
Weird gas tank too. I siphoned all the gas out, it only came out of one side.
Yeah. See, it leaks out of the other side. Gas tank's on the floor out there. Alright, so looks like we're getting ready to get a tank, so let's get this cleaned up a little bit and we'll be back.